Alam niyo ba mga Bulakenyo na sa murang halaga po, pwedeng-pwede po tayong maka-experience ng Valley-inspired pool and home vibes staycation. Doon po yan sa bayan ng Bulacan. Pwede ninyong bisitahin ang Tresville Private Pool. At habang nagre-relax po kayo sa pool, maaari ka namang magpa-customize ng iyong order sa kanilang Full House Cafe at tikman ang kanilang mga pinagmamalaking drinks, snacks, and rice meals. Tara na po at ating dayuhin ang Tresville Private Pool and Full House Cafe. Dito lamang po sa Galing, Bulacan.
If you're looking for the ultimate chill spot to vibe, snap IG-worthy pics, and just escape the stress, Tresville Private Pool is the place to be. Located in Purok 3, Bangbang, Bulacan, Bulacan. This hidden gem is the place to relax, recharge, and unwind. Pool? Check. Private place? Check. Aesthetic spot for your snobs? Big check. Whether it's a barkada getaway or a fam bonding moment, Tresville Private Pool got you covered. Sa murang halaga ay may experience mo na ang kanilang Bali-inspired pool at home vibes staycation. With their modern amenities at Instagram-worthy spots na siguradong masusulit ang inyong bawat sandali.
Tresville po actually, it opens its doors po last year. It's my mom's dream po talaga na pinipilit niya yung father ko na magkaroon ng pool sa bahay. Kasi our family bonding po, ever since bata kami, mag-swimming. Ito po kasing lugar na Tresville actually, for the longest time, pinauupahan po to. Marami pong business na umupa dito. Lumang bahay po kasi to. So ayun, na nagkaroon ng pool. Unti-unti, nalaman namin na pwede pala. Knowing na trending ngayon sa mga social media or trending sa industry ngayon yung mga staycation.
Plus, legit feels like home vibes with their fully air-conditioned villa.
Aside from the villa, meron din po tayo cafe. Yung pong mga menu po natin sa cafe is pwede po silang dalhin dito or dito po pwedeng i-consume ng mga guests natin.
Staycation ain't complete without good food. Try their signature drinks and rice meals. Legit ang sarap sa Tatak Tresville.
This was built last December of 2022. The Full House Cafe po na name was given by our father. Siya talaga po yung nagpangalan nito. Fun fact po nun, yung Full House Cafe po parang madaming tao, ganyan. And gladly po, ngayon pong this past few years po, talaga naman pong dinudumog tayo ng mga tao.
Nag-o-offer sila ng variety of drinks. Meron silang coffee, non-coffee-based drinks, milk teas at ice-blended drinks. Hindi lang masasarap na inumin ng bida dito. Tikman ang kanilang mouth-watering foods katulad ng waffle, carbonara, creamy pesto, clubhouse sandwich, cheeseburger, nachos overload, mojos at rice meals tulad ng teriyaki chicken, FH burger steak, pork hamonado, special embutido at ang kanilang bestseller na FH crispy kare-kare.
Isa rin sa mapapagmalaki natin, no, bukod sa mga bestsellers natin sa rice meals, is itong mga freshly baked goods natin na bake siya daily.
May KTV room din sila na pwede nyong rentahan habang enjoy sa kainan. Extended ng kanilang services sa kanilang sister cafe, ang Booth Cafe, na matatagpuan sa Bocaue, Bulacan. Kaya naman savor delicious, high-quality meals and drinks at affordable price only at Full House Cafe.
Welcome to Full House!
Sa mga family, mga magbarkada, magkakaibigan na naghahanap ng lugar na pwedeng pagbandingan, pwede po kayo dito sa Tresville Private Pool, dito po sa Bulacan, Bulacan. You may book and reserve po sa aming Facebook page, Tresville Private Pool, and you may contact us at 0942-472-0806.
Hi guys, I'm inviting you all to come and visit Full House Cafe here located in Purok 3, Bambang, Bulacan, Bulacan. You can also message us through Facebook page sa lahat po ng inyong mga queries. Para sa mga special events and occasions po, available po ang Full House Cafe Express Mobile Coffee Bar. Pwede po kayo mag-inquire and book sa aming FB page.